Welcome. Today we're going to be making two of my favorite breakfast toasts. We're going to make a salmon one that's pretty much like a lox sort of bagel, but it's going to be completely dairy-free and gluten-free. And then the other one is a strawberry hazelnut ricotta toast that is super yummy. It's a little sweet, so it's something a little more decadent, something I don't have very often, but it's great to have in the rotation. The great part about these is that neither one requires any baking except for toasting the bread. So let's get started. It only takes a couple minutes per recipe to create these. We're going to start by thinly slicing some red onion. You want to get it as thin as you possibly can. You're going to then take the toast and spread Kite Hill vegan cream cheese on it. Kite Hill is the one that I really like the best. I think it tastes the closest to real cream cheese. You can certainly use soy or some other kind of cream cheese if you can't do nuts. We're going to take the smoked salmon and place it over top of the cream cheese. Usually just a couple of pieces are good here. And then placing the red onion on top, just a few pieces. And then placing some capers on top of that. Capers are salty and a little piney, and they give a great flavor to this. And then drizzling a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top, some freshly cracked salt and pepper. And there you have it. Okay, now to eat this yummy, yummy, yummy. I feel like the little drizzle of olive oil really makes it. It really just reinforces the kind of creamy and really filling aspect of this toast. And so I hope you'll enjoy it just as much as I have. Next, we're going to make the strawberry ricotta toast. For this, we're going to slice some fresh strawberries in a few slices per strawberry. And you need about 3 strawberries per piece of toast. Next, we're going to take some raw hazelnuts and we're going to chop those up just a little bit so that they're nice and crunchy. Take your gluten-free toast, and we're going to use Kite Hill ricotta. It's a vegan ricotta that's made from almonds, and it's really good. It's pretty close to a real ricotta, I think. We're going to spread some of that on the toast. It doesn't spread quite as easily as a cream cheese does because it is kind of a chunky ricotta, but just do your best and get a good layer on there. Then we're going to take those strawberry slices and just fan them out some and arrange them on the toast in whatever way you think looks pretty, but covers the whole thing in strawberries. Top it with the chopped hazelnuts and then drizzle a little bit of honey on there. I'm just using a local clover-based honey and a little sprinkle of cinnamon, and there you go. Now to take a bite. So good. The strawberries are nice and fresh. It's a little crunch from the hazelnuts and a little sweetness from the honey, and the cinnamon just tops it off nicely. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram @JenYokum for the latest recipes and things that I'm up to. See you next time.